Hello friends, my name is Raj Rathore and this is my second video on this channel. Before starting this video, I want to say thanks all of you guys because in my first video, you got that much support, that much your valuable comment and like, and really it means a lot to me. So you can see what is my today's topic is give first priority to yourself. So I want to start this video with a beautiful heart-touching story. So let's get started. This is the story about Sohan uncle. He was very renowned shoemaker on his locality. He was very famous because he was very skilled on his work. For this reason, people of the different nearby villages used to go to Sohan's shop for get their shoes made. And like these, his number of customers increasing day by day. He had no shortage of any work. One day, he was repairing a shoe for his customer by sitting with him. And that customer asked to Sohan uncle, you repair and make shoe for others, but now how your own shoes has damaged. And Sohan uncle did not even know that his shoes was damaged, and when that customer asked, he saw that damaged shoes and said, it is a very little things. First I will complete my customer's work, then I will look into it later. And that day, Sohan uncle ignored that things and went to his house. And while doing these, 4 to 5 days went out, but Sohan uncle did not pay attention on his that shoe. The same night, Sohan uncle was going from his shop towards his house. Because of that damaged shoes, a big fog entered into his soul. And because of that, Sohan uncle felt very much pain and he started taking care of himself at house. But he did not stop going to his work. And because of this carelessness, that his little wound get enlarged gradually. And when people used to say, uncle, why don't you take rest at home? Then uncle would say, it is the really little thing, it would be cured by itself. And one day, it happened that when uncle woke up in the morning from his bed, he could not able to stand on his feet because that wound get enlarged had grown too much. And then people took him to the doctor, and after seeing the situation of his feet, doctor said, Mr. Sohan, because of long-term infection by that wound, one of your legs is no longer able to work. You have to lose your one leg. And after hearing this, Sohan uncle's tears started coming out from his eyes. But he had no any other choice but regrets. Friends, don't you think same thing sometime happens in our life? Sometime we start giving too much attention, too much care to other people. But at that time we forget to take care of ourselves. Same thing happens. Sometime we get so busy in earning money and any work, but we forget ourselves that time. And because of that, if you lose something important, when we lose something important in our life, then we have nothing but regrets. Friends, that's why when you have a choice to give priority, so please give first priority to yourself and it will make you happy. And if you are happy, only then you will be able to keep others happy, you will be able to give others love and your support. And that's why, friend, you must have heard somewhere, when you fly in the airplane, the flight attendant instruct you to put your oxygen mask on first before helping others. And why is this rule is important for ensuring survival? Because if you run out of oxygen mask yourself, you can't help anyone else with their oxygen mask. Or put more simply, if you die, you can't help others. So that's why it's really important to take care of yourself first, then you will be able to help others. And friends, there is some tips to take care of yourself. Tips first is be your friend. Yeah, out there you have seen many people they blaming themselves or they abusing their self for some reason, but it is a very bad way to treat yourself. In every situation, in every condition, you have to be yourself and talk to yourself. Second thing, let go things you can't control. It is a very beautiful way to treat these things. You should do work on what is in your hand, but don't think too much what you can't do. Third thing is practice gratitude. It means be thankful whatever you have. Be thankful for whatever you have in your life. And fourth tips, work on your hobbies, work on what you want to do, work on yourself, work on your body. Then you will be happy. And friends, lastly, in this pandemic situation, it is really important to take care of yourself first. Then you will be able to help others. So please take care. Please stay at home and wear your mask. Till then, take care. Bye bye. If you like this video, hit that like button. And if you feel these stories is valuable for your mind, so also subscribe this channel. Till then, take care. Bye bye.